Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the fourth lecture of Important MCQ series. In our fourth lecture, we are discussing MCQs based on General Accounting Principles. In this series, we are covering important topics of UPSC EPFO 2020 with the help of MCQ, and this series will be very much important for your upcoming examination. So follow Educare 247 for further updates. Humanity is going through one of the biggest crises from their existence, and at this moment, knowledge and science is the only hope. You are also advised to not roam around unnecessarily, sit at your home and maintain social distancing. While sitting at your home, you can easily prepare for UPSC EPFO 2020. Educare 247 is giving 50% discount on their comprehensive course, and this course is very much important for your preparation. Under this course, we are covering the detailed syllabus. We are providing 10,000 plus MCQs. Test series will be also there. Our content are very crisp and concise, and live doubt session will be taken care. You will get the 1500 discount and the course will be for 1499. So visit our website Educare 247 and subscribe to this course.
The first question is, how many accounting standards have been issued by ICAI? The answer is 32. Second question is, accounting standards in India are issued by? The answer is C, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. 32 accounting standards have been issued by ICAI. As of 2010, total 32 accounting standard is there. It is named as AS1 to AS7 because 8 is not there and 8 has been merged with accounting standard 26. Then AS9 to AS32. So this is very important. You must remember that. The Council of ICAI has omitted the AS6. The 6 was depreciation accounting. This topic is mentioned in your SEBI syllabus, so this is very important under the company's accounting standards rule 2006. Basically, it has been merged with accounting standards 10, that is property, plant and equipment. It is fixed asset accounting standard, and this topic is also mentioned in your SEBI syllabus. So these are very important. You must remember these points. Also, accounting standards 30, 31, 32, that is financial instrument recognition and measurement, it has been replaced by IFRS 9, financial instrument. So these are very important points. You must remember these points. Anything can be asked in the examination. The third question is, accounting for fixed assets is termed as? Answer is AS10, Accounting Standards 10. Accounting Standards 10 discloses information relating to fixed assets. Many enterprises grouped their assets in various categories like land, building, plant, machinery, patents, trademarks, design, etc. This accounting standard does not apply on certain things like forest, plantation and similar regenerative natural resources. It also doesn't apply on mineral rights, expenditure on exploration and extraction of minerals, while natural gases, and also on non-regenerative sources, livestock and expenditure on real estate development. So this is not included in fixed asset standard. So this is very important concept. It can be asked in the examination, which of the following is not included in accounting standards 10. So you must remember these are the things which are not included in accounting standards 10. The next question is, which of the following provide framework and accounting policies so that the financial statements of the different enterprises become comparable? The answer is accounting standards. So basically, accounting standard is a common set of principles, standards and procedures that define the basis of financial accounting policies and practices. So basically it is similar for all the companies and companies has to follow, then enterprises or companies can be compared among themselves. Accounting standards apply to the full breadth of entities' financial picture, including assets, liabilities, revenue, expenses and shareholders equity. So these are the important points. You must remember these points about accounting standards.
The next question is, IASB stands for? The answer is International Accounting Standard Body. It is an independent accounting standard setting body of IFRS Foundation. It was established in April 2001. So this is very important, and it is the successor of International Accounting Standard Committee. Earlier this committee was there and it has been replaced by International Accounting Standards Board. It is responsible for developing international financial reporting standards. So this is very important. It developed the reporting standards and that standard followed globally. Previously, the International Accounting Standard and promoting the use of application of these standards. So earlier International Accounting Standards was there. Now it has been replaced by financial reporting standards. So this is the difference, you must remember that. And it provides uniformity among the accounting practices, and it helps companies to follow and compare among themselves. So this is very important concept, you must remember all these points. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.